Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone else you think would enjoy it. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 18. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 9. 9 here, so 4, 7. 7 here, so 4, 9. That means our 7 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 here and a 5 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 4, 9. No help here. 1, 4, 5, 9. 1 here. 5 and 9 here. Makes this our 4. So this is our 5, 9. We can get rid of this 4 and this 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here and a 4 here. That makes this our 2. The 4 is covering these boxes, so the 4 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. No help here. 4, 8, 9. No help here. 4, 8, 9. And no help here. 4, 8, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here and a 4 here, so that makes this our 1, and the 2 and 5 make this our 4. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 has to be here. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 5, 8. We can get rid of this 8. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. Got a 1 here, so 4, 9, and no help here. 1, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got the 1 here, so 4, 9. And if we look now, the only place in this row our 1 can be is here. And that 1 makes this our 9, 5. And that 9 makes this our 4, 9. This is our 1. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. Now we can get rid of this 9 and this 4. Finish out this box. We're missing an 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. But if I'm looking now, we've got this 8 here. That makes this our 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 9, 8. This 1 makes this our 6, 1. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.